What's up, everybody? Good morning. Giveaway Friday, starting now. What's up, everybody? What's up, friends? Good morning. Let's see what we're giving away today. 350K one-step eval. Oh, all right, there we go. What's up, guys? How you doing? All right. They're different every week, so this is the one-steps. All right, we're gonna end this at 10. Lose to 10. Number of winners 3. Select channel. All right. I need to start doing like cool images and stuff for these giveaways. Okay. All right, you guys, head over to the contest channel. Hold up. Don't know how it works. Go to Discord. Go to contest. Everybody, what's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Go here. Click that for the link for giveaway. You got so much stuff turned on in my computer. Come on. All right. We're going to 7 minutes. Click the button to enter, Simon. Click the button to enter. We're gonna turn off messages. Click the button. How many times can you click? One time. Alright, delete all those messages here. What's up, y'all? What's up, Butcher? What's up, Angela? What's up, Simon? You guys are crushing it in your evals. I've been watching you guys like pass all these fun accounts and stuff. I'm so proud and happy for you guys. Oh, it's gonna be a good day today. I can feel it already. Ooh, giveaway. Yeah, this guy's back on. All right, here's the link. Free eval accounts. Drawing at 10. Oh, 11. All right. The bot should be posting this. Tell me if this link works, you guys. I'm gonna be lazy. I'll do it. Click it. Good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up? I got so much stuff to do. Man, it's been such a crazy big week for us, you guys. Crazy big week. Got a new puppy yesterday. All right. Wednesday. locked in our house or mortgage yesterday, live on stream. That was hilarious. Oh, that was so much fun. You guys, y'all weren't here yesterday. We had a great time towards the end of the stream. Let me say something funny. Is the Discord link working? So it's kind of funny. I'll tell you guys something really cool. You know, I've never really analyzed mortgage rates and like as much as I, you know, I mean, I did before in previous times. I also know, but like, a while. I really like looked into this detail. I never really thought about like forecasting mortgage rates. You know, it's been like our tool set has gotten like really good lately. Discord link expired. Oh shit! Thanks. Let me know. All right. We gotta get anyone. Oh, Discord. Why you gonna be? Great one. Invite link. Never expire. Contest. Okay. It's so weird because I don't create one. Ah, here it is. Get an invite link. Here we go. Never expire. It's so weird because it's like it's not generating the contest link. You know what? Hold on. All right, everybody try this really quick. Copy message link. All right. You guys, can you click this right here? Can you guys click that one? Discordapp.com, blah, 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 blah. Tell me if you can click that one and it works. That one works. Let's get ready to go to the market. All right. Opening inside DD bands. Market nice and cool. Awesome. Okay. Inside DD bands. Above monthly hedge pressure in between. Sandwich in the middle. I love days like this. They're usually pretty clean. 2 minutes till market opens. Let's get ready to get going. Nasdaq, same way. Monthly hedge pressure down here. We're looking for some bull ups inside of this thing. Now we have been establishing a little bit of a topping pattern in the market. Monthly maps is indicating that. Talked about the commitment of traders yesterday, indicating that the market is in a nice exhaustive squeeze to the upside. Talk about that today. Is the market topping out? What do you think? I think. We'll talk about that when we get started here. Let's get some trades in, though. You guys ready to watch #1 trading stream on YouTube? The #1 and #2 trader. YouTube. Y'all met Pickles the dog. He already is trading at a 4th grade level. It is better. The better trader than everybody. Fucking trader funding programs out there on YouTube. He's so cute. Beyonce, our new dog. You'll love the commitment trader discussion. Oh, that's our best class. Class number 20 in the series, by the way. We saved the best one for last. It is, we start the 20 days classes with a mic drop. People are blown away. That's why, there's, people take the first class. They're like, okay, this is something cool. And then you get all the way to number 20, and we end 20 with a bang. In class number 20, I teach you how I've made multiple six-figure trades with one single technique. It happens very rarely, but it's like the culmination of everything that we have, right? All right, start out the day. Resilience is right at par, the S&P. We are moving slightly to the upside. That's a pretty decent move here. All right, let's get our liquidity maps come through here. Yeah, what's up? Good morning. All right, let's go. All right, futures, we are looking for whatever sign we get a good push up to upside there. Come on, liquidity maps. Let's go, baby. Numbers come in. Let's see what we got. Res is positive, S&P negative, NASDAQ, so let's be careful on that. A good resilience on the NASDAQ is resistance from here. I take this trade every single time. Despite that, should I smack it with a long? Oh, that's interesting. Let's look at S&P really quick. S&P's positive, NASDAQ is negative. We have a bull long up situation. S&P, I do like this. S&P open, blue open is the setup today. I think I might. How far is this? 593.66, 592.5. That's about 11 points lower on SPY. That is a pretty decent setup to long at the open, but let me watch. NASDAQ is negative, resilient, so NASDAQ will likely be pulling down. This is easy hedge pressure tap long to the upside. All right, let's go. Oops. All right, let's take a look at VIX. Double check. And double check this. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh god, Thinkorswim, you're doing that thing again. When Thinkorswim crashes, oh my goodness. Right, it won't even let me move the window. Get off my screen. Go. I love it. Okay. UVXY in a downward move, which is good. We are in a BSD, which is bearish, which is good. On you want to see VIX in decay, so that's really good. So guys, smash that like button. Don't forget while you're here, hit that like button. The problem is that on this particular setup, hold on, 5970 is an impact. I mean, is a yellow line. It's a illiquidity pivot. 70, 74, and 3, SPY 3, like right in the middle here. Okay. 7.4. Little line, or okay. ED band there. It's actually not really that bad of a setup. I'm curious if I want to just take it with 2 right now, really quick. Just maybe 2. It did bounce. Okay, let's try this. Resiliences are strong. S&P's 40. It is really strong. I do like it. I don't hate it. Points. Okay, we're good. Let's go. I like it. Oh, I didn't mean to hit it with 3. Whoops. All right, whatever. How did I get 3 on that? S&P&I. Oh, PMI in 10 minutes, huh? That is the scary part. Trading into an event. And consumer sentiment as well. Everything's good. I thought I had 2. How the heck did I get 3? So it's basically set up like this to there. Now the news can be bad. So basically, this is basically how this trade goes. I'm longing here, double longing there, going up to green. It's about a 40. We open basically flat. This is like a 4-to-1 trade. It's really good. I don't hate it. All right. Yeah, we're gonna let the market like play around on this. It is looking to move today. This is gonna be good. Good up days today. Let's take a look at the monthly maps. Let's see if the monthly maps have cleared up a little bit. And I'll walk you guys through the commandment traders. So let me show you if you haven't read this. This is a quickie chart to talk about how the market is faring up. If you guys remember from yesterday's discussion, a couple of neat things about this. Monthly maps come through in just a minute. This chart right here is going to tell you how the positions are distributed in futures. So check it out. Super simple. Pay attention. Green lines. Blue lines. When they're pinching and pulling, market's liquid. In general, right? Let me put this really small here. Oh, come on. Okay, so when the green lines are pinching and pulling apart, this is very strong and bullish. This is like exhaustion pattern. Basically, when bulls are starting to sell and bears are starting to squeeze. So this is like the tail end of a rally. It's a short squeeze. And so when they're both pointing in the same direction, like to the downside, the market is extremely bearish. Like everybody's selling, and when they're both pointing up, everybody's buying. So in periods of like everybody's selling, this is the S&P. You can see on my chart, you have market pullbacks. That's what we teach people. In periods when everybody's selling, like this right here, this is this one, you have market pullbacks like COVID. When everybody's selling, which is this one, you have market pullbacks or stalls, right? So in the mode that we're in right now, is they're actually both sloping up, and this is this is an exhaustion squeeze, and it means that the market is squeezing irrationally to the upside. Everybody's buying. The shorts are covering, the longs are longing harder. When these things point up together at the same time, which is kind of like rare. It doesn't happen like this all the time, but there's modes when it happen like this, and the market is entering somewhat of a topping pattern. So when they're both sloping up and then it's followed by a pinch, which is like here, it's typically your market top. And so you get about, a month or two ahead of that by seeing it on the commitment traders. It will show you. It doesn't mean we're topping. We're still in the rally mode, but the minute these things start to pinch together, it's going to be your thing like this. I swear, I always think I take this one song off of this playlist. The song is so weird. It reminds me of that scene in The Matrix when everybody's like, dancing around in the cave, their clothes off. Remove from parade list. There you go. It's like too much. Too much. So right now, Committed Traders is showing that there's a very, 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 very strong upward movement in the market. It is. It's like cyberpunk music. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Guys, hit the like button. Everybody hit it. Forget. News about to break out. Yeah. Which Discord is it? Oh, you know what? Hold on. Here's the link. Sorry, my bad, my bad, my bad. No, the link expired. I don't know. It's so weird. Here, click that. There it is. Oh, 1,200 bucks. Let's go, baby. Oh, that's free money. We'll take it. I mean, you know. We do have something coming up in just a little bit, you know. Yo, what's on this one? Ooh, baby, belong up to DD Band. All things positive. Let's go. Yeah, we're not delayed on YouTube. There's no delay. YouTube inherently has a delay of like maybe 10 seconds, but that's YouTube. Tiny little exhaustion move here. I do like it. Oh, 1,500. Let's take it. Almost 2,000. Let's take it. I mean, let's take it. I mean, it was about $2,000, 1,700 bucks. We do have news coming out though. Let me pocket that because there is news coming out in 2 minutes. All right, flat on all my trades. Ooh. Oh, $2,000 in 5 minutes of work. I can't complain about that. All right, everybody, don't forget to click that link and go. You took it too, Ian. Yeah, everybody, come on. Get some emojis in chat. We do this every day. Every single day. Champs, let's go. Ooh. That's what an 80% win rate looks like, guys. Look, I'm out of the way for the news. Get the fuck out of the way. All right, we're done. Okay, this is pretty simple setup today. Bull long up, open, blue, open. If we support at open, we trade to upper band. Now we get out of the way because news is coming out in 1 minute. So essentially over here, this is the guide. Let me make this bigger for you guys. All right, guys. Come on, smash that like button. Let's go. 200 concurrents. Let's make this the biggest stream we've ever had. All right. I long it open. I long it blue. Back to open. Or I long it open. It goes up to next resistance. Now, I always trade. But when news is about to come out, which is in 1 minute, we have the PMI coming out. Michigan numbers coming out in 15 minutes. These are going to be market movers. Everything is really strong today. I'd like to see this fall and take the trade one more time. So if it goes up on the news, I miss out. That's fine. I locked in 2K before we go into the news. You really can't complain about that. Smash with authority. Hit it as hard as you can. The monthly signal right now. So right now we're gonna look at it in just a second. So let me wait for the burp to come out. So open, blue, open, and then we support it open, which we did. Then I take the long to next resistance, but I always get out of the way when news is going to come out. So never trade through news. Always exit into news and let the news drop it to where you wanted to trade and then trade it again. Every time. Let's look at NASDAQ because that might be the one with the better opportunity. It's the one that's just flipping positive. SPY has a little bit to go, but let's see if Nasdaq has anything good. Oh, it's a bull long up. Okay, here we go. We got a little shuffling here on that. Oh, so small trade long here up to DD band, wherever that will end up being. Let's kind of move that. We have Chicago numbers coming out in a little bit. Oh, it's really strong today. Strong and bullish. Suck it, Wall Street. Love Rocket Scooter. Let's go. Let's go. You guys took it, man. Who took a trade today? Let's get some hearts in chat. Trade? You may leave a trade? Or some emojis. Rockets. Who traded? Who made a trade today? That's what I tell you guys. Still moving. Okay. So we're set up. In and out 5 minutes, yeah. Now the question is, take for the next one. Let's go to futures really quick. Just double checking our numbers here. So up to DD band from here, there's about 15 more points to move. Again, I don't trade through news because what I do is I let it move and then I get the second trade. Oh, this is kind of nice. Are we going to DD band today? All of our confluence numbers are very positive across the board. All these numbers are positive. So everything's good today. There's nothing really bad. So we'll check VIX. VIX nice decay pattern. Awesome. Guys, that was so easy. All right, you know, our Black Friday thing's still going on. You can take all of our courses for $20. It's normally $200. Like, we've had hundreds of people sign up for that. And if you guys are liking the courses, tell all the strangers here in chat what you think about it. Help us out here. This is our Black Friday week, right? Tell them your honest opinion about the courses. I'm curious what you guys think in general. Because it's going to go away this weekend. No more $20 possible course access to our stuff. $20. It was just done to get people introduced. And a lot of new folks checked it out. So if you guys don't know who I am, I'm the live futures trader. I work with Elite Trader Funding, the guy that won their contest. 80% win rate, 450% gain. I was in the top 5 on the Robbins Cup, the Global World Championship of Futures Trading, for a little bit. Whenever I got into that, I went up to the leaderboard. And I got knocked off, but I peaked in the top 5, 4th and 5th place that week. And then competitive futures trader. I'm the CEO of the Rocket Scooter Company. I created this trading platform. I created this method inside of this trading platform that looks, it draws arrows on chart, and I trade on arrows drawn on chart. These point up, this go up. And that's how it's going to. All right, you guys. All right, let's see. It's still going up. I like it. There's no downside move. The question is, do I want to get back in on it somewhere? We do have the Michigan numbers coming out, so hopefully it gets a little bit of move. The instructor is kind of a tool. Oh, God, he's like the worst. It's terrible. All right, let me teach you guys something about where we are in the market. Are we topping? So let me talk about the 3 things. Ready? This is a great philosophy. So don't forget, guys. Do me a favor. Question is, do I want to get back in on this? Such a wimp, you know. We do have about 15 more points of run though between here and the top. There is no resistance. I'm just getting out of the way in case the news came out. Let me just wait for any red candle inside of here. This is where we're going. 88% of days will close below that green line. Or sorry, 4% of days will close above this green line. 96% of days will close below it. So 88% inside of the 2 bands, and so 8% below, 88 in the middle. 88 is 96, right? I got a surprise for you guys. Come on in. Wait, are you wearing pants? Is Pickle wearing pants? All right. All right. That's okay. Come on in. We have egg delivery service and dog delivery service. Wait, hold on. And I have to figure out some way that the ants like ate my eggs yesterday, dude. Look who we got! Look who we got! Oh my god! You guys haven't met iDoc. Say hello. This is iDoc.
Hi, this is me just waking up.
She's late. What did she miss?
You can see why now.
Hey, what's up, puppy? Daddy made $2,000 in 5 minutes. $2,000.
Yay, puppy clothes. Santa clothes. Okay, good luck.
Everyone's saying sup, iDoc talk. iDoc,
Hi.
what's up?
I'll be cuter next time.
They're not here for you. They're here for the dog. You guys both look cute. I'm just funny. All right. Oh, yeah, she's going to go stream. You know, she's a streamer, by the way, if you guys didn't know. You got to follow iDoc Talk on Twitch. She's a Twitch streamer. She's actually pretty big. She's actually a real eye doctor, too. Even his dog is a better trader than you. Y'all are hilarious. Okay, so let's just let this play around. Resilience. Oh, Nasdaq resilience is negative, so I'm glad I'm out of the way of this one. Okay, watch out for this, guys. Okay, let me just go through some stuff really quick. Resilience helps you throttle inside of this box, right? And then I take this trade every single time as well. When this number is less than 0, it wants to push down. So this might be a decent long entry on Nasdaq. And the question is, do I want to overtrade and take this? PQ, bullseye on bottom. It is a good setup. When those Michigan numbers come out. Yeah, I think you guys are right. Yeah, it's better not to take my eggs this time. I'm gonna be so mad. Alright, you guys. Alright, check it out. So here's something I'll teach you guys. Something called the greater market. Hashtag wit. What's up? Oh, yeah. So I don't know if you guys knew this. Welcome to be Rocket Cadet. So we actually did open up the subscription to YouTube. If you guys want a little extra flair to your stuff, you can actually subscribe to the channel and donate to Pickles to Pickles Toy Fund. I think it's like $5 or something. You get extra flair, extra emojis, extra videos and stuff. We never even really talk about it, but it's there. So it looks like hashtag just join it. Awesome. You get a green. Your name is green. You get the squalid emoji. Love it. Okay. Here's a cool thing. I'm going to teach you guys. How do you determine if it's a bull or bear market? You guys want to know? How do I know if it's a bull or bear market? How do I make the calls that I've made? How do I do this? And I'm going to teach you guys this. And don't forget to enter the contest. Click here to enter. I swear I updated that message. Oh, here, let me save it. Here's the message where you click to enter, by the way. Look. I'm glad I got all the way on that one. Okay. How do you know if it's a bull or bear market? You guys want to learn this one? Hold on. Click this for the contest, by the way. You like the puppy? Super cute? Yeah, super cute. Okay. Who here is your first time in the stream, number one? And who here wants to ask me any question you want about what it is we're doing? Can I tell you that I'm going to forecast what the market's going to do for the next 3 months? A really cool trick. You guess? All right. Well, I'm going to tell you anyways. I don't care. I don't care what you think. Okay. Here's a trick. Here's a trick on how to forecast the market 3 months in advance. Okay, ready? Get a pencil or whatever, and you write this down. We call it the greater market. There's 3 indicators you use to tell if the market's bullish or bearish. That's it. Number 1. Is this green number greater than half? Yeah. That's it. That's it. Just look at that number. Half is the middle. 1 is all stocks are bullish. 0 is no stocks are bullish. 81% of the market cap, bull zone on stocks. Variable. All stocks in the market are bullish. Basically. Or 81%. Number 2. The SPY trading above this orange line called MHP. 570. We're at 595. Way above 570. Check. That's bullish. That's bullish. Number 3, this one tool called monthly map. This is going to forecast 3 months out. Actually, more than 3 months out. All right. Here's how you read this. This is actually forecasting the market through March of next year. So that's 4 months. This is by far the best tools ever created by us. This is looking at options and planning out and forecasting and showing the risk of the market over the next 4 months. You read this thing is very cool. Again, this is how risk is distributed. The market's looking bullish as shit right now. Okay, look. You draw a line at the bottom of these dark gray boxes, just like this. You guys see what I'm doing? We try to help you by doing it for you, but I'm going to draw like this. First, you ask yourself, where you're trading right now, are you in the dark gray area or the light gray area? Clearly the dark gray area. So we are in a bull market. Clearly in a bull market. It's easy to see that. And this monthly map does not lie. It is the positional data that exists in SPY. So futures, right? S&P futures. I'll do NASDAQ in a second too. We're in a bull market now. How's that market changing over time? Well, between now and here. Oh, gosh, you can't see the bottom. Hold up. I got to move this. Windows sometimes. Hello, Windows. Stop trying to size the window to fit the screen. Let's just make it like right there. Okay. So this is a daily chart. So between here and actually all the way through here. But let's look at the first wave down between here and December 20th of 2024. An entire month from now, this bull side is sloping down. And you basically just follow the checklist. There's 4 different things. Bull side sloping down means where the bulls are getting more bullish. People are buying more. So the bull market that we're in now gets stronger for the next month. The hell was that? What's that? What's that bloopy bloop sound? Is that a Discord thing? What the heck? We stole the bottom. It was Steam. That was Steam. Somebody invited me to... Oh, it is Steam. Wait. I get some random spam message on Steam. Okay. That was Steam. And it's not even in English. What the heck? I don't even know what that says. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's just... I'm going to block you. Oh my gosh. I don't even ever use Steam, but go away. Hold on. Close on Windows. What am I playing today? Oh yeah, we have game day. I don't know. Ben and I were playing Apex last Friday. You want to play Apex again? The new healing meta? Ben and I were crushing kids. Please don't block me. You're blocked, dude. Okay, so bull market getting stronger over time. The top of the bear zone slipping down. And basically what this actually means is that calls are deeper in the money, which forces call sellers to buy the mark. Gotta close Steam down. Oh my goodness. Quit it with the bloopy bloop. All right. It's not even let me shut Steam down. What on earth? It's like cannot close. Am I getting hacked right now? That is so weird. I just had like 90 things open on Steam. All right, I got hacked. Whatever. We'll get back to trading. Okay. No, when I closed it, it was like, can't perform this task, can't perform this task. And it was like, then all these things were like, I'm going to turn Steam off. Okay. So basically this means calls are deeper in the money, which means call sellers are forced to buy. The state of the market is people want to be long as low as this area here. So if the bull zone is slipping down, bulls are stronger over time through December. Bears side sloping down, then bears are exiting position. It's a short squeeze as well. Let's look at this. Bulls are longing more. Bears are exiting positions. Keep that in mind. And then this is showing how if this volatility increasing or decreasing. Volatility is increasing slightly. Okay. So the greater market's bullish. It's basically what this is telling you. The side note. One little side note, let me tell you guys. This. So then you can look at the commitment of traders. It'll show you like where futures are positioned. And that's basically it. I know you guys love learning shit, but I'm going to teach you anyway. Here's a cool little fun fact for y'all. This chart is the S&P 500 futures. Just two little rules of thumb that I want you to learn. Okay. This right here will be one of the coolest things you ever learn about futures trading. If you don't know this, you go impress all your friends and whatever trader funding group you work with. Go tell them that you know your shit and tell them you learned it from us. I have trained so many different educators on this very thing. I gave a podcast on this very thing with The Street, Jim Cramer's company. I was on a pod, and I was invited to be a permanent panelist on that podcast. I would teach stuff like this. A lot of these trading vets didn't know any of this. It's kind of cool. So here it is. The futures are divided into four different categories of reportable positions. Market maker, long side, short side. That's it. Forget this one. This is a small one. Ignore it for now. If the green and the blue are pulling apart or pinching together, the market's liquid. This is how the position changes over time. So the green and the blue, pinch or pull, market is liquid. And here's the rule of thumb. Liquid markets do not crash. If you are trying to short the market when it's liquid, you're a dummy. It never crashes. It will never crash. Never crash once. Green and blue pulling apart, pinching together, pulling apart, pinching together. Liquid market does not crash. The S&P goes up. Question? All right. They're pointing in the same direction. The opposite's illiquid market. Illiquid markets crash all the time. They either crash up or crash down. Crash. This is crash. When everybody, it's a one-sided market. Crash. One-sided literally means illiquid. There's no other side. Or crash or sell off, right? Or correction or crash. Okay. Ready? This is years of S&P data. All right. Periods when green and blue are sloping down. There's your 1 year of market recession. Green and blue are sloping down. There's your COVID sell-off. Green and blue are sloping down. There's your this right there. It's so easy to identify. Green and blue are sloping down. There is that. Questions? 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 All right. Now ask yourself, where are we at right now? Don't forget, we have a giveaway in 1 hour, so make sure you guys sign up for the drawing. Click that link in the Discord. All right, class, tell me really quick, where are we? Right now, this next question. What is this doing? What's that? It's illiquid to the upside. Type in commitment of traders. Every week, every reportable institution has to report their positions in futures to the CFTC, who then gives you and me this report so we can determine the direction of the market. You learn how to read this, you will be able to call market tops and bottoms. I typed in bar chart commitment to traders. There's a million different versions of commitment to traders out there. I've always used the bar chart. CME Group has one, commitment of traders. Just Google it. Crashing to the upside. Shares are getting squeezed rapidly. Now, the commitment of traders shows where we are up to this point. Monthly maps will tell you where we're going into the future, what I showed you earlier. So we are an illiquid crash to the upside. Illiquid is another name for volatile. And we know that the VIX is trading above this triple B level we give you and like increasing, right? So it's a volatile market, gonna be choppier. We've had a bunch of really big sell-off days the last couple weeks. That's the volatility. So basically the market is in what we call an exhaustion move. And they both point up. The market is crashing to the upside, which means it's rapidly moving higher. And then it's going to start chopping and get volatile. A crash to the upside. The next move when the market, here's how you're going to call the market top. And this is what I'm going to teach you guys. The market will top when the green starts selling while the blue is still covering shorts. The minute the crash to the upside turns into a pinch, you can gladly tell all your friends the market has topped. That's it. And that's how you say you can't predict the top. People are full of shit. You can. I do it every single time. And I tweet it before it tops. And then I save my tweets. And I post them in a picture. And I show people the picture. And people go back and go, oh shit, he did tweet it. This is the top. He did say it. Now, again, can't guess the exact moment. But positions do not lie. This is a very accurate method. Ignore my scribbles on the chart, but all of the tweets are here. I called the top here. I called a bottom there. I called the bottom there. Here I called a continuation to 6,000. And I tweet them and I post the pictures with the tweets on top of the chart. And I use this very chart to determine that. That's it. This and monthly maps. I put these two things together. I'm also from the future. I traveled here with the sports almanac, and I'm making sports bets as well, except I still bet on Mike Tyson, which lost me a whole lot of money. Just kidding. But all right, we are crashing to the upside. The market is topped as soon as the asset managers start selling again. So when you're illiquid squeeze to the upside, so basically what happened was we had a nice little liquid market right here. Let me delete all this. Very nice. Pencil tool is glitching out here. Well, the fight was I don't know if it was rigged, but Mike Tyson definitely wanted to get paid. He probably had to change. He was hitting hard for the first round. Then he had to change of heart and realize, oh wait, I'm here to get paid. His instinct of I need to start crushing people's skulls was there. And then when he's like, I got to stop punching people, he was like biting his gloves to remind himself, this is not a fight. I can't fight. His instinct was to like literally, punch through his skull. Like, and he tried to a couple times and he realized, oh, I can't fight. I think Jake like tapped him on the shoulder and was like, bro, come on, you want to get paid? Calm down. So I don't think it was rigged. I think he was given options of, how much you can decide what you want to do. Jake was willing to get his face crushed for like 5 million, but if he won, he was gonna get more, right? Okay, so anyways, when the illiquid market starts to pinch down, as soon as the green starts selling, the market is topped. That's it. That's very, very much it. But you don't try to predict that the market is going to top when it hasn't happened yet. And this is a week-old piece of data. As soon as they start pinching together, you know the market's topped. And it's usually going to take like, 3-6 months, sometimes a year to top out. Here's an example of that very thing. Let me zoom in last year. I'm going to show you how to predict a market top. It's not hard at all. Let me start deleting all of this. Oh, it's not predicting. It's reading it because it's going to tell you. Ready right here? Illiquid squeeze to the upside. Illiquid squeeze to the upside. And this is the moment it starts pinching. And so from here through here is the top. And typically tops have like a megaphone pattern as well to go with it. And then the minute that the blue starts selling to go with the green selling, you're there. So the topping pattern starts and takes a little bit to finish. This one could take 3, 6, 7, 8 months. And that's it. But the moment when they're both pinching together after an illiquid squeeze to the upside is your topping pattern. Okay, so this is the last time it did it. All right, so number 1. We are in an illiquid crash to the upside. Volatile moves to the upside. No sign of it stopping just yet. What's neat is that if only we could guess what these lines were doing. If only I could guess, is this going to pinch? If only I had a way to look into the future 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 months and predict where the positions are going to be at that some point. Wait, I do? Rocket Scooter's monthly maps can extrapolate where this green line is doing months out using options? Because markets are kind of tandem connected together. Wait, what? You guys remember what I said earlier. The bulls in SPY are becoming more bullish over time. And the bears in SPY are becoming less bearish over time. Let's just go through the end of the year. Actually, let's go through March. Right? And let's go ahead and draw a line right here, because this is a clear inflection point for the bullish. So around end of January, the bulls start selling. Let's keep that in mind. So between now and the end of January, bulls are stronger, bears are weaker. Okay? Let's go back to that other chart. I'm telling you, I was on podcast teaching this lesson to a lot of people. It turned some heads. So between now and January, bulls are stronger. Between now and January, bears are weaker. And then right about the end of January, the bulls are weaker. How do you like that? You're welcome. Fucking answering to eat my eggs. Oh, my bad. Hold up. Here, sorry. Again, remember, monthly maps. Between now... Oh, they smell the eggs. I can see ants everywhere now. Ants starting... Dude, it's a Texas thing. Ants, like, invade your home. It's so bad. Between now and the end of January, bulls are getting stronger. Between now and the end of January, bears are getting weaker. At the end of January, bulls are getting weaker. There it is. Like I said, you're welcome. We'll be back. Hey. Right. End of January inauguration. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here you go. Like, not only are we going to use commitment traders. Now let's go back to the chart, right? Commitment traders to forecast or to show what the market's doing. Or we use monthly maps to forecast when the market's going to pivot. Bull market, and it's stronger. Through January 20th. Commitment traders. This like number 4 is like a special thing. The COT just shows the state that we're in right now. Crash. We're crashing right now to the upside. All All right, so let me tell you, he's bearish. What's a liquidity map? Like, what is a liquidity map, or what is the liquidity map for the S&P? So everything's bullish in January, man. But volatile. So I'm still looking for dips. Everything's pointing up. So I'm still looking for dips to buy. I'm still trying to buy dips. I'm not shorting markets. You know, in that Elite Trader funding contest I didn't short one time. I don't think. If I did, it would have been once. I longed every single day. Multiple times a day. I remember shorting. You know why? Because I look at the greater market. And all things are pointing up. I'm bullish. As a matter of fact, 3 things are pointing up. I'm bullish. As a matter of fact, just 1 thing is pointing up. I'm bullish. Any of these are pointing up. I'm bullish. The only time I'm bearish is when everything is pointing down, and then I'm a bear. It takes all things to be bearish for me to be bearish. Because 70% of months in the SPX are green. And 60% of the 30% that are red recover a third of their position by the end of the month. The third of their loss by the end of the month. Even red months rally at the end of the month. Very rare that markets collapse and crash out. Being a bear should be the rarest thing you ever do. Markets always go up. Every EST is every single time. Every single time. Let's check it. Every single trade, every single time trade on Qs. We got the news already come out? What we do on the Michigan numbers? Oh, we did. That was 9 o'clock, right? Expectation's good. Every single trade, every single time trade on Qs. You guys aren't wrong. Res is less than 0 though, so the problem is EST. I don't know if I want to take it every single time, but there's gonna have resistances there. Should I? Dare I? I do like it. Open middle and up here. Yeah, EST and trade every single time. Let's do it. Let's just do it one time. Thanks for letting me know. God, you're so good. Yeah, I do bulls and bears on every single time. The problem is that resilience is very weak. Not very weak, but weak. So it's gonna have resistance and have a hard time going from. So I'm trading from here to here. Problem is that Nasdaq is well, actually it's positive now, so that's good. I'll take it. Oh shit! There we go. Free money. I'll take it. Thank you. Who told me? Who's the one that reminded me? Simon. It's like one of Simon's favorite trades. You're the man, Simon. The problem is it's going to have a hard time pushing through here. So res is positive. Simon, you the man. All right. I take that trade every single time. There's a really good R&R on this. Really good probability in this. R&R is typically 1-to-1 on these though. If it fails, it wasn't you. It was your fault, dude. Come on. Blaming you if it doesn't work. Now, one thing about this, I only tapped it with 1 because I do take this trade every single time. Here to here is another every single time trade. I'll tap it again from here. That's 40 points of change though. So, 40 points. Yeah. I'm trading. This is a funded account. These are real money accounts. I do like to take this trade every single time, for sure. So with the lead trader funding, by the way, we're going to do our giveaway in about 40 minutes. Make sure you guys all enter the contest here. Click that link. Click that link. Click enter. With the lead trader funding, I'm a live elite funded trader. So basically they funded me with real money. I advanced to the end of their program very quickly. They promoted me to get to the next level. So I'm trading with a funded account with real money in it. Well, they trust me with their money. God help them. R.I.P. I'm just kidding. It's fledgling right now. It's having a hard time pushing. That's the one thing I don't like about it. That's why I only hit it small. I do take this every single time, and I also take this to this every single time, and the ratio is greater than half. So that's a high probability trade. Like this is under most conditions, this happens like 8 or 9 out of 10 times. So does this one. We open in middle. We're likely to close in middle. So again, there's supports. There's like trades at every single place for me to trade off of today. Yeah. We're not getting that oomph we want to get. That's kind of sad, the crummy part. Oh wait, what the heck? Didn't mean to click that. Sorry guys. Sorry. It's not moving. This is not the one. It's not moving. So we'll check S&P. So I only hit it with one. Something small. S&P has support here. Res greater than 0. It does look good on S&P. Why Nasdaq hate us today? Just hang on to it. We'll double down on Nasdaq down here at the bottom area. SPY has support pressure at hedge pressure today and also open support. I don't think we're going to sell really hard. I think this is going to close out long and strong and bullish today. There's nothing in this that is bearish right now. Market's balanced. Market's somewhat liquid. Things are looking good. VIX is looking good. I take this trade every single time. I take this trade every single time. We call this the bear Big Mac. Bull, bear, bull is something you take from bottom to top. So 503 to 505 is like free 20 points most of the time. PJ knows. We taught a class on this last week. I just tapped one at 504. We hit 503. I'm gonna hit it pretty good. Is that one just in case it goes? 503 would be the money trade. If I had 503, I'll pop it with like 4 contracts. Everything's just good here. Oh yeah, solid. Just watch. Every single time. Every single time. Take this trade. You hear people say EST. It's not Eastern Standard Time. It means every single time I attack this trade every single time. I attack this trade every single time. These are some of my favorite new setups now. I just tap it. Every single time. So liquidity trade. Guys, hold on, right? Did y'all listen? Did y'all learn anything from me today? Number one, by the way, 200 something people here and like 90 likes. I want everybody to hit the like button real quick because we're dropping fire. Tell me about liquid markets. Really quick. Liquid markets do not what? Liquid markets do not what? Liquid markets do not what? Liquid markets do not crash. This is called a liquidity pocket because this is the most liquid spot on the chart. It could sell off. Don't think it cannot sell off. It can. These are called liquidity pockets. Mean reversion. They're planting to the middle. It's a balanced market. It's going to have a hard time crashing because liquid markets do not crash. We tell you guys this every day. It can work its way lower, but when you see this, I'm betting on the liquid market not crashing. So I'm buying the dip. Bull zone. Bear zone, bull zone. Push. Zone to zone. Because liquid markets don't crash. At some point, you guys are going to realize that this is free fire here in the YouTube. And all you have to do is pay your dues by clicking the like button. So by the way, our classes, they're normally $200 a month or $20 a month for Black Friday. You have to go to Rocket Place. Check it out. Come and take these classes. You guys are trading trader funding programs. With Elite Trader funding, I got 20 funded accounts in like a couple days. Right out the door. I traded for a little bit. Again, like I said, markets can sell off. I mean, I can't be wrong. But it's going to try to hold and be liquid here. Look at other signs. This is all pretty decent. Nasdaq is the one that's giving us a little bit of trouble, though, because Nasdaq is trying to trade this way from the stash line because it's not getting a lot of steam from the stocks. Now, we're just waiting for Nasdaq stocks to get better. And it's looking like it's not getting better, which I don't like to see. Anyways. Trader funding programs. Go into that. Because a lot of you guys do. It's like the most popular thing right now. So we're like, okay, we'll help you learn that world. We teach how to do those things. Yeah, liquid markets don't crash, so I don't bet on the crash. All this red candle here, I'm betting on the market staying put, being liquid. I take this trade every single time. It's 10-point stop, and we have another trade nearby that I take every single time as well. Because I have two different entries, I get in with something small. In case it takes off, it's $800. In case it dips, it's $800 of drawdown. And then my second every single time trade, I smack it hard to get it to move. You guys follow? That's it. Because I know I have two trades nearby that I hit every single time. I divide it up into two pieces. Right? So, because I know that, this is all part of the game. I know that it could possibly draw down. So I go in small. There's no signs that Nasdaq is going to crash out, but this is an illiquidity pocket. This can fall very rapidly to there. And again, I'm waiting to buy the dip. I'm waiting. And I'm waiting just till right here. It would be the rarest of the rare for us to start here and end up down here. This is like less than 10% chance that we crash out today. I'm not saying it's not possible. Everything's possible, but we don't bet on the impossibility. There's the drawdown I was mentioning right here at the bottom. Add to the position right there. Right at MHP, that's what we wanted to do. I draw down back in there. I doubled into my position. Right here, bull zone. I also take that every single time. Now again, fingers crossed on this. Drawdown management. If it bounces, we hold all the way through. Now again, It's gonna get a little crazy, but let's see. $30 we do the giveaway. Wait, what? Wait, what? Ready? Turn back down. Lower my cost basis there. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. Now I have my position here. Let's see what we get. Hold on. Let it play around a little bit. Now it's 2-to-1 trade with one contract. This is where $1,600 from here. I'm just going to hang all the way up to bull zone. 505. Let's go in the house. Let's go. Push it. You guys know the drill. Bear side Big Mac. Bear side Big Mac. Here's your bun. Here's your meat. Here's your bun. We're like calling it the bear sandwich. You have 2 every single time trades that I take every single time. I take these every single time. I never not take these. The bear mac. Let's just go. 600. Let's go. Keep going. Keep fucking going. Come on, baby. Keep going. Keep running. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Don't even stop at 504. Jimmy around a little bit and keep going. Pass through it and go. Pass through it and go. Pass through it and go. Come on. Come on. 40 more points than ads. They're going to close at 806. I'll close right at 800. Come on. Come on. I tapped it with 1. I hit my second entry. I tapped it with 2. Closed out on the bump. Lower my cost basis to here. Now I'll take 2 up. About like a $600 loss on that one. Now I'm up $600 and breaking even and then some on this trading. I think from here is profit. I didn't hit it too hard because, again, VIX is giving me a little bit of caution on these overshoots. I'm still playing it small. I'm totally comfortable with 1. If it hits the bull zone again, I add 1 more again and close again on the pie. I keep playing this game all day long. Ultimately, I'm trading back to 505. But I'm not betting that we break 505 and keep going. I'm betting that we do top here for the day. And that we end up somewhere in here to close. This is negative, so it's going to likely close here. EOD. EOD. Here. EOD. Or lower. The liquidity pockets zoom through this pretty quick. Like I said, we just wait on it. Another setup is I take this trade every single time also. In this particular case, it is a small position trade. Maybe I'll check VIX really quick, make sure I'm on the... Watch list. Okay, we're good on VIX. GameStop going crazy today? Draw my hamburger here. So I always take these trades. These are the trades I always take. Like I said, I'm only playing with one contract because of the jumping around that it's doing. I've now moved my cost basis from here right down to there. So anything above here, I'm in the money on this trade. Let's do it. Hold on. I get some water. Just my luck. This market should be selling off when I get up to go get some water and go to the bath. Oh, God, it's doing good. All right, guys, don't forget. Everybody here, do me a favor. If you like the stream, click that little thumbs up button down below. Give the algo some love. We're doing giveaways. So right now, I'll let you guys know, I'm CEO of the Rock Scooter Company. We created this method called positional risk analysis. We use this with high probability setups. The platform used for anything from futures trading to stock trading to options trading. It predicts high volume pivots based on options positions because options positions can predict hedging on said options positions. Therefore, order flow. Therefore, I bet on these order flow volume spikes. When you touch these bull zones, bear zones, bull zones, there's predictable high volume here, here, and here, and I just trade off of it. I'll take the money. I'll take the money. Let's go. Keep paying me out today, market. Let's go. The setup looks like a burger. Yeah, that's what the joke when people said. They started calling it the bear zone sandwich. Basically trade from bull zone to bull zone with the meat in the middle. So the joke was people are calling it the bear mac or the bear zone Big Mac. I kind of like the bear mac. It looks kind of funny. So we're trading the bear mac. It's the money mac is what it is. Come on, baby. We love the bear meat. We do. We eat those bears for lunch every day. Plow right through it. We taught a class on this 3 days ago. It's one of our classes. We teach 20 classes. Mr. Plow. Wait, from The Simpsons? Let me get some water real quick. I'll be right back. I have my water bottle, but I don't. There we go. Wait, what? Am I getting paid again? Oh, Mr. Plow. It's like plowing right through it. Yeah, let's go. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, Mr. Plow. That's my name. That name again is Mr. Plow. Now I know I'm gonna be such a wuss, but resilience is less than 0. So big candles like this, I can pocket that on the next screen. On the next screen up, just take it. Come on. Come on. Give me the pop. I'll lock it in. There it is. Right at middle. 1500. Another 1500. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pop and take and flatten. God. What the fuck? Oh, God. I'm done for the day. Cross out my accounts, $4,300 in my funded accounts. So I'm trading live elite with ETF, 4,300 total. Wait, hold on. 1870 plus 2580. It's like 4,400 bucks. Yeah, 44. Matt Weeks, love the service. You guys are. This is the whole new revamp of the Rocket Scooter setups. So 3 months ago, we got in our 2-month back test, and we realized a lot of things we didn't know about the stuff we had created. Some of our setups were accurate up to 90% of the time. And it took a couple years of backtest data to finally do that, and we completely revamped our stuff to focus on just the things that work to that high degree. Probability, these are backtests. It's not like the stock market's predictable. It's not. Nobody can predict the stock market. Don't anybody tell you that whatsoever. We can predict volume, but that's easy to do. There's no magic to that. Options tell you where volume will be if you just know how to read them. It's so simple to do that if you know a little bit of math. So we bet on a couple philosophies. Number one, liquid markets don't crash. That's it. Ooh. All right, let's do the drawing in just a little bit. It's getting actually kind of hot in here. I'm going to go turn the air on. I will be right back. Actually, I'm just going to open a window. I'm going to turn the heater off. It's getting a little... I just couldn't help myself. Oh. Buddy. I know. I can help myself. Okay. Hello, buddy. Hello. Okay. Let me teach you guys something that we do here. Kind of what makes our stuff a little different. Is that an Ibanez in the corner? Oh, that's correct. That is an Ibanez Prestige. In my younger days, it's actually tuned to B tuning, so it's like 7-string guitar with 6 strings. In my younger days, I was in a band. I sing and play guitar. All time to eat something besides these gains. Too much fun. Okay, so essentially what we do here is we came up with the technique that doesn't use technical analysis. It doesn't use charting. It doesn't use candles. It doesn't use historic candles. It doesn't use anything. I never changed the time frame on my chart. We basically eliminated everything that traders are taught to do. I never changed my time frame on my chart. 1-minute chart all day long. I never look at historic price. I don't look at trends. I don't look at shapes of the chart. I don't look at patterns. Head and Shoulders is. I don't any of that. Candlesticks, dojis, none of that. None of it. Nothing that you were taught. We don't use anything. All I do is use options to find volume, and I mirror the trades and futures. I push the green button when it's at a support. I push the red button at a resistance. I look at QQQ to trade Nasdaq futures. I look at SPY to trade ES futures. As the years went by, we had a whole bunch of setups, as you can see right here on my voice is loud. It's really scaring you home. We have since revamped this as of 3 months ago to only the highest probable stuff. And our back test surprised us because we had a whole lot of setups that we didn't even know had such high probability that we never taught. And now we've revamped all of our classes to teach like the Big Mac move. And I draw a hamburger to be funny, but there's a reason for this. It's a liquidity balance. It's an illiquidity to liquidity balance. There's a whole process of what's going on there. You don't even have to understand it. You can just understand the technique as I long from here to pass through there to go to there every time. But there's something neat going on there. And then I'm done for the day. Look, I didn't chase this. Some people might have gotten in on this. I'm out when everyone else is trying to figure out what they're going to do. Markets collapsing, collapsing, collapsing. Liquid markets don't crash. I traded it right back up to the liquidity pocket. Liquid markets tend to stay liquid 90% of the time, huh, buddy? $4,500 buys you a lot of tweets. You haven't seen these returns of these kinds. It's mind-blowing. Somebody just, Diego said you're leaving Top Step. Oh, you are? Oh, yeah, because Top Step doesn't let you trade XFAs anymore when you're live. But ETF is the same in full transparency. And all prop firms are going to be the same because that's the way the industry's going. So find the ones that don't let you do it, and then it's going to, underneath your feet, it's going to, they're all going to do that. Once you're kicked out of sim to funded, you go back. Come on, puppy. Sit here, buddy. Don't move. Don't square me. Go do the giveaway just a little bit, guys. Hold up. Sit right here, Mr. Guy. You're so cute. Oh my God, he's squirming around. All right. Why don't I do multiple funded accounts with copy trading? Because it's a terrible idea. Two things. Number one, I only do prop firm trading because you guys do it. I'll be 100% transparent about this. I only do prop firm trading because it grows the YouTube channel and therefore grows their executor business. All of my efforts as a real trader are piled into my real trading account. Because I'd rather pay 60/40 taxes on a real futures account than pay 1099 wages with a profit split. Prop firms cost you so much money for your efforts. It's not for experienced traders. I only trade these things because you guys do it. And me being the sole live futures account trader that's the only person doing this, my YouTube grows like this. But then you get all these prop trading nutballs that YouTube channels do this because you guys trade it. So, well, we got to jump on the bandwagon too. Why don't I put a lot of effort into funded trader funding programs? It's because of that. James? I make most, if not all of my money from my own futures account. And that's what you will eventually do as well once you graduate from prop firm world. Now, let's pretend that I'm in the boat you guys are in where I'm trying to make it as a trader or get funded as a trader to jump to the end. Let's call this the end, where it's just you and your own money. There's no profit split and the government's not taxing you like crazy. That's where you want to go. But in the middle, you're going to have some kind of steps, right? Maybe the prop ways to get funded. And then sim to funded, and then live funded, and then you take your live funded gains and put it in your own account, right? This is the progression of any trader. And again, even though I'm helping sell ETF, right? I'm still the honest person I am. I'm not some shill for a company. Your goal is to not have to use them ever again. And that's the tried and true goal, right? Years and years and years will go by. You may become profitable. And then you are now free, birdie, to fly and trade with your own money. And ultimately, you want to get here where I've been for a decade. You don't want to rely on anybody. Your own money, your own wits, your own time. You don't see me trade my own futures account, but I'm still trading my own futures account. Daddy still got bills to pay. But on here, on the stream, you only see me trading these SIMDA-funded accounts. Now, these are all paid accounts, by the way. Still, you want to go through this process so that you can finally be able to support yourself on your own. But along the way, it may take you 5, 10 years, whatever, to get to here. And that's where we step in and we'll help you, right? Understand the process. ETFs are really great. That's why I stand by them. Let me give you some tips on this. So in this world, why don't you buy 20 accounts and tether them together? Because you guys have just been scammed by one of the biggest marketing tricks in the futures industry that's been promoted by multiple futures trading. I don't even call them trading, but futures. I want to call them traders, but they're promoters, futures promoters, to convince you to buy something 20 times. It's incredible how this works. It's a lovely trick, and I guess I can be guilty of it too. Yeah, go buy 20 accounts from everybody. But here's what you need to understand: one fake account with fake gains that pays you at 90% off. And they convince you to buy 20 of them. Let's do some math really quick. Something is $200, and let's make it 90% off, such that it's $20. And let's get some yapping, screaming idiot on YouTube to tell you to buy 20 of them, and I'll tether them together. I made $1,000 times 20. I did one Nasdaq future, and it went up 10 points, and I made $16,000. Because something that costs $200 at 90% off and you buy 20 of them, you spent $400, you numbskull. They just convinced you to spend twice as much. Because of the yelling, screaming idiot with the Lambo. You don't realize that you bought, and it's a fake account. A fake account is nothing. And 20 fake accounts is still nothing. Hell, they could sell you 40 or 80. They convince you to buy an invisible piece of nothing and then buy some trickery of 90% off with some screaming douchebag. You paid twice as much as they were asking. You should have did the math. Point I'm saying is, you're allowed to buy 20 because the chances of you blowing up is very high. And the casino is like, oh, you know what? Let's get them to play 20 hands at once. That'll work. Let's make it as easy as it is for them to blow up. And that's the reason you shouldn't do it. Not because it's a scam. I'm just being silly. It's definitely part of the industry. I support it fully because you should have the ability to play different accounts. But the thing is that when you tether them together and trade them like one account. So you take an account and charge $200 for it. Then you make it 90% off, which makes it 20. And somebody convinces you to buy 20 of them. And again, it's just a bigger fake account, which is fake. There's nothing in it. There's no value. There's no anything. They sold you an empty box for $200, but then they convinced you to pay $400 for it. Because when you take those little bitty accounts and you tie them together, copy trader, it becomes one big fake account again. Yeah. And so the chances of you blowing up does not improve or get worse when you tether 20 accounts together. Your probability of blowing up is still the same. The house has the advantage in this case because there's a bunch of rules of things you can't do that squeeze you out. And if you tether 20 of them together, you're not having a better probability of trading. So if you have 20 accounts like I do, you trade them individually. Giveaway is in 5 minutes. Oh, look at this boy right here. Oh, buddy, see here. So what you should do is trade them differently to improve your odds of making money. You tether them together, it just becomes one big fake account again at twice the price. 20 activation fees? Jesus Christ, you're paying a lot of money at that point. Instead, do what I do. Ready? Market's falling, 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 falling. Long in one account. You remember my trade today, guys? I longed here and I longed again in the same account, the same real money account. But here's what you're going to do. You're going to long here in account number 1, and it's going to make money. Accounts 2 through 20 are dormant. If it falls, you're not going to touch account 1. Instead, you're going to long again in account 2. Now, at the places where you normally would long. And if it falls again, you're going to long in account 3. Then you're going to close all 3 of them if you break your point of no return. If this one goes bust and this one wins, and this one you didn't even enter, okay. But if you tether them all together, right here, then you lost all of them. Your goal with the prop firm is not to make a lot of money, it's to make some money. Does it make sense? Now, this isn't a martingale strategy because these are 3 different long entry points you would have taken. Which one do I take? We'll take all 3 of them. But play each hand with a different hand. Now, prop firms have rules. Make sure you're allowed to do this with your prop firm. If you tether them together because your Lambo driving idiot tells you to do that, they are told by the company to tell you to do that. And they blow up a lot of money and get paid $400,000 a month to buy that Lambo from a salary. It's a salary plus commissions. And you don't see the other side of the coin as how much they spend on eval accounts. It's probably hundreds of thousands of dollars a month that you don't have. So don't mirror what they do. You don't have the ability to do what they do. The marketing scam is real, guys. You don't see how many hundreds of thousands of dollars they lose paying for those evals so they can post that one post that they made $100,000 that day. I bet you if you add it all up, they're net red on the entire scheme. They don't show you that part, do they? Do they, little guy? No, they don't. No, they don't. All right, you guys ready for the giveaway? Oh, 2 minutes. It's going to automatically go. But anyways, the point I'm saying is marketing is big on these things because they make a lot of money. So don't tether them together because you're just going to blow up very quickly. Instead, trade smart with them. So I'm not promoting a martingale strategy at all. There's 3 different high volume pivots. In a real account, I would trade it that way. Now, you can do one of 2 things. I only trade one account at a time usually. But what I did was today you saw me, normally I'd hit this with a pretty hard position. NASDAQ was giving me some concerns earlier. So instead, I planned on, I'm going to long here, here, and here because they're all 3 90% give or take trades, right? And I take them every single time. I have 3 hands in front of me. Why gamble all the money on one of the hands? Stock market's random. In a real trading account, you trade this way. In a real anything account with no limitations, with no prop firm rules, I trade this way all day long. It's the only way to make money as a trader. Cost basis averaging, you guys saw me. Here's my trade today. I longed right here with 2, or no, I had 3 or something. I don't know. I remember I trimmed down to 1. It fell to here. I added 1 more. It went to there. I closed 1. Then I held it all the way through. I closed 1 so I can add 1 again, so I can close 1 again, so I can add 1 again. And as soon as it went through here, I was going to hold it all the way through. You guys like Pickle? He's so cute. Look at this boy. Why are you being antsy? You don't like this? Oh, it's my voice is so loud, huh? Buddy? Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Giveaway. Congratulations. Set 83. Jamil won and 5 lint. Jay, you guys won the giveaway. Congratulations. We do giveaways every single week, sometimes twice a week. Hold on. Say goodbye. You're getting all restless here. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Oh, he's so fluffy. Bebe. Go grab him. Loud voice is scaring him. A loud voice is scaring him. He don't like me. He doesn't like me shouting. Okay, so we have a couple contests we're doing right now. There's a couple more. For every $250 you spend with Elite Trader Funding, we put you in a drawing, and we're doing big prizes for that. Lifetime. We're giving away computer equipment like monitors, graphics cards. Just cool. We're gonna have like big prizes with that. So as you guys, if you do your evals through them, every $250 you spend, your name goes into a hat, and it stays there until we pull your name out. It's kind of like putting your business card in the fishbowl. Tex-Mex place. When am I gonna do that contest? Once I get enough people like at that level. So I'll say probably when we get close to like 20 to 30 people there, then we'll start doing monthly drawings. So it could be like in a month or two from now. But there's a lot of people using our link. So use our link. Does paying for funded accounts count as spent dollars? Yeah. So every time you use our code and buy an eval or use our link and use any code there, we get credit for the sale. As long as we get credit for the sale, it counts. After you pass, I don't know if that actually counts. I don't think activation fees count. That's the problem. Somebody asked, am I saying TBM is a scam? No. Matt is like the most honest guy I know. No, it's not the influencers. They're just doing their job. It's the marketing department of those companies. It's not a scam. Let me start over. It's not a scam. It's clever marketing. But I just try to be like dramatic with my approach of saying it. There's definitely nobody's being scammed. Nobody's doing anything wrong or illegal. Let me start over. Y'all are just dumb. You're being tricked. But not because you're being defrauded. It's because you're not doing the math. You take something that's worthless and sell it for $200, but give a 90% discount and then convince somebody that you can take a bunch of worthless things and tie them together and make it one big worthless thing and then sell it to you at twice the price you originally would have paid. An empty box, bigger empty box at twice the price. You were finagled into an understanding that 20 accounts is actually 20 accounts. It's 0 accounts. It's not even an account. It's an empty box. It's actually not a scam. It's actually very clever. And I actually pat them on the back for doing that because this is a genius way to make money. What I'm saying is the people marketing them are told to do that. Like, oh, no, don't trade one account. We want you trading 20 on your stream. Now, let me tell you, ETF never told me to do that, which is why I like them. That's very honest of them to do so. They could have very well told me, here's the formula. You go on stream and show 20 accounts and trade all 20 accounts, and you convince people they need to buy 20. Never once have they ever asked me to do any kind of, like, strange marketing. They actually never told me to do anything. They just said, go out, teach people trading. We want people to learn trading. I was like, in my head, I'm like, why aren't they telling me the formula to make more money? I convince you guys all to listen, if I get $5 for every eval you guys buy, don't you think I'd be telling you to buy 20 of them? So I could be making 20 times as much money? I'm telling you not to do it. Because it's my belief system. And I think that's, you know, it's not, there's no scheme or scam about it. And Matt's a really good trader. I think Matt's a great trader, actually. I like him a lot. He's a very cool guy. I'm making fun of you guys. Let's be real. What I was saying earlier is making fun of the people that buy into it. The consumers. You'd rather me get a kickback? Yeah, all the money that we make from ETF goes right back into paying for salaries here. I don't really keep any of it. It goes to the company, so or goes to prizes or giveaways or whatever. We always have had a philosophy of recirculating things back to you guys. But if I wanted to go out there and make a big salary from being an affiliate salesman, I would convince you guys to buy 20 accounts. I would convince you to tether them together and trade them all at once, because I know there's a high blow up rate, and I know some of you are gambling addicts and you'll keep buying them. And I'll keep pocketing money. And I wouldn't be able to sleep at night knowing that I'm feeding people into a gambling addiction so that I can make a little more money. Let me tell you the real reality of this. I make a shit ton of money already. I don't need to sell my soul for a little bit more. I'm good. I'll always be the honest people to give you the real truth of stuff out there. Yeah, we put it back in the rocket scooter when we have 20 employees of the company. So, you know, we pay everybody's bills. You know, during COVID and during all the bad stuff we had, we still maintained to keep everybody employed. Even we had our ups and downs. You know, inflation's a problem and whatever. You know, you guys are providing a service and taking care of, you know, 20 people's families, which is good. Now, you have to use our link to give us credit, though. You've been here since 2020. Matt has always been putting his money back into RS and legit doing for the community. I have. I pumped millions of dollars into this company. Building the platform. Giving stuff away. Giving the membership away for practically nothing. When we start, if you got here in 2020, back in the day, you could have got your membership for like $60. When trade rooms are selling it for like $300 and stuff, you know. Well, you should always have wished you found us earlier, because like a good stock, you need to buy the dip low when it's cheap. And it gets more expensive as time goes by, so. Anyways, we love you guys. All right. Greed motivates. It does. But like, you know, me and the iDoc have a pretty comfortable life. And our job has always been, you know, I've always loved teaching. Like in college, I remember I taught at university. I love watching people get that spark in their eyes, like, holy shit. Like the thing you guys are saying in chat, it makes me so happy to see everybody just like, I did it. You know, like, this was great. Like, I'm learning something. I'm feeling like I'm getting somewhere. I really take that pride, you know, like the Dead Poets Society, like Robin Williams. If you saw it, maybe you just love your job. Like, you love seeing that you make a change in this world. And I've always really enjoyed that. And to me, that's like why, you know, why I'm motivated so heavily. Today's $99. Damn that inflation. How much longer am I going to be streaming today? Probably for the next 30 minutes. But it is Friday. Friday game day. We usually all hop on Steam and you guys join the Rockstar Discord really quick. We always get together and do some kind of squad-based gaming. We've been playing Call of Duty lately, Apex Legends, you know, whatever. You guys are gamers. Let me give my Steam ID. We can cruise some time together. There's my friend Conan on Steam. If you guys want to add me. I've been playing Black Ops 6, the new one. How much longer will I be doing Rocket Scooter? Forever, man. We just started this like in 2022. I've been around since 2016 on YouTube, but we just built the platform and released it 2 years ago. As a matter of fact, September was the 2-year anniversary of the hard launch. So now, oh God, the next steps of what we're making. So you guys, if you want to check out the platform and learn all the stuff we do, let me tell you about our deals really quick. Black Friday, $19.99 a month just to do the classes. Just the classes. You want introduction. It's normally not sold. It's normally not, it's bundled in a $200 a month package. We never break it out. So we said, let's for Black Friday, let people just take the classes, like I said. Don't just listen to what I am telling you. We always let people tell you what they think. 4.99 stars, 64 reviews. People calling it game changer. Great community, worth every penny. Different than anything you've ever seen out there. Best deal on the internet. These are, nobody's incentivized. These are the people you see in chat. Look. Laurent, Rick, Frank. These are all people you see every day. A monthly maps is gold. That's what we talked about this morning. Delta. And again, these are things people purchase, actual customers, what they say. The most information dense trading instruction I've ever seen. People are actually really liking it. So that's good. Best platform day traders. And this is when they made the review. Nobody was paid or incentivized to leave a good review. People are always told to leave honest reviews, and they've been pretty good. So most comprehensive education out there. The course is mind-blowing. I love trading more than ever. So I promise you guys one thing. If you buy anything from us within 3 days, you can get a full refund if you hate it. We're one of the biggest communities out there for a reason. Check out the classes. Just click here. This is Black Friday. It's $20 for the month. You go through 20 classes. It's literally $1 a day. You can watch the videos at your leisure. We do a live class every day at 3 p.m. or 3:30 p.m. somewhere before market closes. And we cycle through them. We go class 1 through 20, and then we go back to 1 and start over. The classes cover risk management, position management, high probability trading, profitability mindset, when to short, when to long, when to dollar average, dollar cost average, where to set stops, how to make a trade plan, how to draw on your charts. Essentially, how to draw on your charts, how to take the risk. Why did I long? Why did I long again? Where was I going to stop? Why did I exit there? We teach you all of this. No longer using like thousands of charts on your screen, tons of technical analysis, all of that. At Rocket Scooter, you will learn that you don't look at historic price. You don't look at charts. You don't even look at the charts at all, really. You don't look at price action, candle action. You don't change the time frame. You don't do anything. In futures trading, I look at this chart for QQQ. Look at this chart for NASDAQ. I make futures. I make all my trades here, and I push the green button and red button when I hit my pivots. The trick is the position size versus the account size. There's a lot of math you don't see me doing on the screen. It's in my head. But why 1 contract? Why not 4? Why not 10? There's all kind of system. There's equations and like standards for everything I do here. Nothing is off the cuff. Oh, I feel like 5 to. There's no feeling involved. It is my equation says 5. My equation says 2. I didn't like your review. Wait, that's a review? I'm sure I love your review because I love you. Hold on. What did you write? Where you at? I just skipped through a bunch of them. Are you on here? Dom says you won't regret it. You're awesome, Dom. My man. You guys. Where are you at? You're the last one? Oh. I never saw it. Price is more just signal service or trading. It's a powerful tool to help you understand why prices move the way they do. Alongside identifying points of interest, Matt teaches principles behind the indicators. How to trade effectively to achieve consistent weekly gains. It's a complete system covering mindset, entry, and exit strategies. Wow. Okay. I love it. Thank you. Even if you have a trading strategy, Rock's going to make it more precise. Give it a try. It's worth the investment. Thanks, bud. Love you guys. All right. Anyways, here's our deals we're doing. This is our Black Friday stuff. Platform, the data. Sorry, the platform, liquidity maps, all the indicators, all the tools, everything, the training videos, courses, Discord access, all the stuff, everything is just half price for the first month. It's normally $200 a month. You have 6,000 members, by the way. Majority of them are actually lifetime. I'll get to that in a second. But this is just check it out. Use the platform for a month. 3 days, you don't like it, ask for a refund. If you want to just do the classes, we broke them out for Black Friday only. It's $20. You'll get access to the courses, the whole library of courses. Watch them at your leisure. Or come every day to the Zoom calls. 2 Zoom calls a day. Lifetime is $1,500 off, and it's the only time we do it is Black Friday. If you want to get in lifetime, it's normally $4,000. Now it's $25,000. He said the majority of our 6,000 members are lifetime members, by the way. That's by the platform outright, and they're with us for life. 6,000 paid community members in the Rock Scooter crew. We're like the biggest paid futures community there is. We've always been a sleeper hit. Because we weren't like promoting a lot of, you know, trader funding program stuff when it got hot. We just always were the real traders out there. Go to my purchases to leave a review. Go all the way to like my purchases on your Rocketplace dashboard. And then go to the thing you bought, and then to the right it says leave a review. IWM chart, let's check it out. The other Black Friday special we had was if you bought the monthly Pro Plus, you could be entered into a drawing for 2 lifetime memberships. And the other day we had the drawing and gave that away. But we are having a second drawing for everybody next time, a month from now. 2 more lifetimes. If you buy the monthly, the $99 first month, you enter that, you're entered into the drawing. Existing members, new members, any member, anybody that's in that package now goes into a second drawing. Because the existing people are like, hey, what about us? Okay, so if you're in the monthly package, on December 20th, we're having a second drawing for 2 free lifetimes as well. Last Black Friday. So buy that one. This is the one. This will get you the Zoom calls and all the classes, everything that we do. And like I said, all the trades, these every single time trades, everyone being goofy in chat, this is what we cover. The courses are very comprehensive. We give you cheat sheets. There's not a lot of goofy shouting. I'm actually very serious in the courses. I'm going to make you guys take it seriously too. In the 20 Days Masterclass, we cover some of these principles we talk about. Liquid markets don't crash. Committed traders. This was today's lesson, or yesterday's lesson. We're creating all new cheat sheets. Let me show you what the cheat sheets look like really quick. The cheat sheets are little handouts you can have that dictate all the different setups we do. These are the old ones. We're now revamping them to represent all the newer stuff that we do. After a 2 years back test, we have even higher probability setups that we talk about. Inside of here, we teach them. Everything here is about risk management. It's about isolating when a trade is useful and worth it, and when a trade is not worth it, how to scale your position size relative to your risk. We teach you all these fun facts, and I guarantee you guys, the very, 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 very first class, the very first class will absolutely change everything you ever thought about trading. It is that good. The first class, you will walk over to your bookshelf and take every trading book you have and throw it in the trash. It's that good at telling you you're doing the wrong thing. I know what you're doing wrong. Because everyone does the same thing wrong. It's not tens of thousands of people trading. They all do the same thing wrong. Get into the game squad, boys. Let's go. We're gonna do it. All right, what are we gonna play? What do you want to play today? I'm still feeling Apex. I'm loving the healing meta. Get the dust off my Gibraltar. I haven't played Jibby in like 3 years. My favorite characters to play. Flight Sim 2024. Everybody, hop aboard. We're flying to Antarctica. You think you keep the books there to impress your wife? Look how smart I am. I read books like all the time. Look, Halo. Justin, dude, Halo was my original love. My first FPS, like love was Halo. I played Counter-Strike. I played Quake. Halo was like when I was like serious about FPS games. Halo 1. Matt, going to take the month trial. Is it possible with that purchase you consider your life account at the end of the month? Yes. Okay, so we'll do that. If you guys do the first month now, you'll let me do it for a month and I'll do lifetime after. I'll let you roll into the lifetime with the Black Friday deal. Sure, why not? I hate rushing people. That's the thing. Like, make an honest, educated decision. Like, yeah, do the monthly, then roll in the lifetime if you want with the deal. Well, yeah, why not? Yo, 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 yo. All right, so I'm done for the day, guys. That was great. $4,400. The funded accounts. We're good. Is that 44? Do some math here. Remember, I'm a live funded trader. I'm trading funded accounts with real money. I'm just adding up all my individual trades. It is 44.54. That was today's profit. That's funded accounts. So, if you're lifetime, we ask people to do the following. If you are lifetime, that you still sign up for the $20 course if you want to support the community. We asked the community, we're doing like a fundraising drive because we're trying to hire more developers to kick out phase 2 of the platform, which is with the AI assist mode, where you have the probabilities on the chart, real-time backtesting that'll say 90%, 80%, 70%, whatever, which looks at the backtest. Gives you a little module here where you'll be able to say, look at the last 3 months, 6 months, 2 years, and then it'll give you the probability based on the last 2 years of setups under these conditions, right? It's our biggest, newest project that we're doing. And so to fund that, we want to hire some more people. So we asked, Lifetime doesn't have to pay the $20, but it's optional, and almost everybody has. We were like, you know, can you support us further and jump into the Zoom calls for another $20? And then that fundraiser raised like I don't know, 8 to 10 grand a month worth of income that pays so many salaries for the new developers. So we have a whole new development team working on this new thing. You don't have sound? Turn it up. Did you mute me? All right, guys, I love y'all. We're going to call it quits today. Do me a favor. If you were here today, come into our Discord. Go to the contest channel. Say anything. We'll let you come to today's Zoom call. And market close. What is this? Neil, let me give it you a little bit. Okay. Love you guys. We'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in, guys. 44, 60, 80, whatever it was, bucks. 44.54. Stay in funded accounts. Very cool. 2 every single time trades. Bear zone and bull zone. Bull zone, bear zone, bull zone, which is one of my favorite trades now. It's about 90% win rate under these conditions. Very high probability trade. I smacked it. Pretty good. Every single time trades we call, we did a commitment of traders less than we forecast that the market's going to be bullish. At the end of January, using Rocket Scooter's monthly map tools, very strong. We are currently in a crash up mode in the market. Asset managers and hedge funds are both becoming greater net long in their positions. The dealers haven't been this short in a very long time, which means the market is exhausting itself to the upside. And it's going to continue to exhaust itself to the upside until we get a pinch. This illiquid market becomes liquid again. Backwardation exists in the VIX right now. We've rolled over 2 months in a row in state of backwardation, and VIX is now trading at an elevated VVIX, which means volatility is present. Typical inside of a short squeeze to have high volatility as the market goes up. We teach you guys these things in our courses. We're in a state of this. Don't ever try to call a market top. The market will tell you when it's topping. The evidence is there that the market is still strong and long and bullish and melting up very rapidly, and it's only going to move faster until something changes. Learn all this and more with the Rockstar team. We love you guys. Come on over. Hit up that Discord and leave a message to that contest channel. We'll give you a link to today's Zoom call. You can come to actual classes. There's no puppies. There's no shouting. There's no goofiness. It's actually pretty serious. And one class will be hooked, I promise.